So how's it going, everyone? Now today the markets ended up ripping to the upside and I was able to catch a really nice trade on the ES. Now I actually took two trades and the first one was a small loser, but then it set up again and I took the demand bounce off 4100 and it gave us a really nice move to the upside. So we managed to have another small green day on the Apex Challenge account and I got it all recorded live so you guys can see it. So enjoy the live trading.
Order filled.
I'm going long just because we're at a huge support.
Order submitted.
It kind of looks like they want to dump it right through 4100. There's just been so much support there.
Order filled.
Alright, yeah, we got stopped out.
Order filled.
I'm in long.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put my stop for my last contract.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'll just put it right below, just like right below 4100. I have a supply zone marked out on my other screen. So yeah, that'll be my profit target. It's around 4115. We'll see if we can get all the way up there. Alright, I'm closing the trade. Oh, perfect timing. Look at that. It might go higher because the trend is clearly up, but you know, we got some good points out of that. Yeah, I feel like I definitely could have gotten a bigger win out of that, considering I bought here and sold here. So now to break down these trades. Now here, ES. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom out to maybe like the 15-minute chart just to show you the zone I had marked out. Now you can see this zone was basically, it was a demand from yesterday's lows, because yesterday for like the first half of the day we trended down and then found a lot of support right at 4100. So I was expecting a bounce there today, so I was watching this zone as demand. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom into the 1 minute time frame to show you where I took my entries. And yeah, I took this first trade really like pretty quickly off the open. Now, the market had nothing but red candles for like the first 5 minutes or so, and we just barely pierced through 4100 and reclaimed it. Now, this was the candle that really, it built my confidence to the long side, and it really gave me a bullish bias. So right where this arrow is, that's where I went long, which is 2 contracts. And yeah, I had my stop right around the 98s. And I started to get a little move in my favor, and I really thought this was going to be the push to the upside through high day, and it just didn't happen. So a few minutes later, I got stopped out for a small loss, and then I just sat on my hands to see what was going to happen. And then it's set up again pretty nicely to the long side. And I really think the shorts got trapped here, because after this broke below 4100, I would think that a lot of retail traders would start to go short here. And when this made kind of a triple bottom and this bullish engulfing candle formed, it gave me a lot of confidence to the upside. So I went long again right here with 2 contracts. I had my stop at low a day, and then I just waited, and it played out really nicely. It started to make higher highs and higher lows, and right around VWAP we started to reject, so I took off a contract here. And then my profit target, I wanted to be kind of around these highs at the 41.14 level, and I ended up taking off that last contract right around here because I saw that the NASDAQ market was starting to roll over, and I thought, okay, I don't want to let this go all the way back down to my entry point. So yeah, I took off the last contract here, and that put me from down 35 on the day to up about 50. So yeah, I kept the loss small, and then I had a decent winner. So I believe the Apex Challenge count is at 24,700. Now you're probably thinking, how are you going to pass this challenge when you're trading 2 micros? And I'm thinking the same exact thing. So I think next week I'm going to size up to at least 4, as long as the setup is there, maybe even 5. Because I think next week is the last week before I have to do a reset. So I really got to get something going if I want to have a chance of passing. And yeah, then pretty much the rest of the day, really so far, the market has trended straight up. Now we do have supply up at around 4130. Actually, I'm going to zoom out to see what this exact zone is. Yeah, so it's kind of the channel high on the 1 hour time frame. Around this 4135 area, there is resistance. But I mean, if you just look at this from like a 15-minute time frame, this was textbook supply and demand trading. We bounced perfectly off demand and went straight up to supply. So the risk to reward was fantastic. I obviously wish I took advantage of this entire move, but I only got from like here to here, which is still all right. But so yeah, I am kind of enjoying adapting to the current market conditions, and I kind of like trading reversals more than continuation. So yeah, we had an okay week. This is actually my third green day in a row, I believe, at least on my Apex account. Now, I took no trades on the individual names. Like on my Weevil account, it's sitting the exact same. I've just been so focused on futures, and yeah, I've really just kind of liked the price action better on the futures lately. So yeah, that's kind of just what I'm doing for now. So yeah, it's 1 p.m. Definitely calling it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, go work out and stuff. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed the videos I put out this week. Definitely a better trading week than last week. And yeah, if you think there's anything I could do better as a trader, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I will reply to you as well. Yeah, I'm just excited for next week. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.